Using a loved one.
It's a nice way of putting it.
Oh, glad to tell everybody who chopped Thanos' big head off.
Stormbreaker? Hey, take it easy, man. Over here, pile of rocks waving at you. Here. Yeah, I'm actually a thing. I'm a being. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Korg. I'm kind of like the leader in here. I'm made of rocks, as you can see, but don't let that intimidate you. Is that some sort of protoplasm, all the stuff that's coming out of you, or are they eggs? Looks like eggs. Hey man, I'm Korg. This is me. We're gonna jump on that spaceship and get out of here. Wanna come? Hey man, we're about to jump on that ginormous spaceship. You wanna come?
Wow, me?